everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're gonna be making a tote bag. Yay! Cue's cheesy sound effect of children cheering. Sorry. Just before we start, I just want to let you know I filmed this kind of during like a really dark day. If you lived in the Bay Area in California, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, I filmed it on the day that looked like we were all gonna die and it was an apocalypse. You can look it up if you're curious. But yes, everything is really bad quality, but hopefully it'll be made up with my very great ability to explain things, because I'm just that good at that. So yeah, let's get started. So I have this like blue plaid fabric that I really like, so that's what I'm going to use to make the tote bag. So I started off by cutting 2 rectangles. I'll leave all the dimensions in the description box below, but I believe it's 25 inches by like 3 inches. So yeah, I cut that out and then I folded it in half and then used clips. You can also use pins if that's what you have, and just clipped it all up. And boom, then I had a sewing machine. So if you don't have a sewing machine, you could probably do this all by hand, but I will say it will probably take a really long time, so preferably you have a sewing machine. And I just sewed that all the way down, and you're gonna want to do this with 2 rectangles because these are going to be the 2 straps. And just like you would for scrunchies, so by the way, you should definitely check out my scrunchies video, which I'll leave right here, but go check that out, because, you should. So basically you take what are those things called? A safety pin, put it on one side, and then just like stuff it through, so you're basically just flipping it inside out. It'll take a little bit of patience, but it'll be fine. And once you have that all flipped inside out, you're going to take 2 squares. What are they? It's like 14 inches by 14 inches. So you're actually going to need 4 of those. This part is a little confusing, but just bear with me. So you have 4 rectangles and 2 of them for each side. So right now I'm taking 2. So you're going to want to lay one down, and then you're going to take one of the straps that you just sewed, and you're gonna basically have it facing inwards. So kind of like what I'm showing in the video, this is very important. Make sure it's not facing any other way, because that's how this works. And you're just gonna want to line it up. I left a little bit of edges hanging over just because I thought that'd be a lot easier to sew, and just measure it to make sure that they're even from both sides, because you don't want it to be uneven. Put the piece of fabric, the strap, and then another piece of fabric over it, and then you're going to want to clip or pin all of that up, and then just sew along there. And then once you have that, you're going to sew all the way around the rest of the rectangle, so then again, the strap should be inside. Make sure you leave a little hole because you are going to flip that inside out. And once you have it all flipped inside out, you can close up the hole by just like kind of tucking it in and then sewing. I hope that made sense. And then you're also going to do that with a different one. So you can have 2 because this is a bag, obviously. Why am I even saying that? Then you're going to put the sides you don't want on the outside, and then you're going to sew down the sides and the bottom, and then flip that inside out. So boom, we have a tote bag, and hopefully it's great. You can also just like adjust the dimensions however you want to. And yeah, so subscribe and like if you want. That would mean a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed and this was helpful. So bye, see you next time. Also, nobody asked for this, but this is basically me at the start of every single video, just gazing awkwardly into the camera and completely forgetting what I have to say. So enjoy!